So Debut's a careers app for students and graduates. We help university students find their first job, and we work with around 60 of the Times Top 100 employers and other sort of multinational recruiters that have graduate schemes and internships. I think we've always understood the potential power of the Snapchat platform, but for us the limitation on the targeting when compared to some of the other performance marketing channels was a potential downside, and I think it's really key for us and for anyone in advertising to ensure ads are as targeted as possible, and the influencer network with Fanbytes really allows us to add that level of targeting that we'd otherwise miss, and otherwise we'd be interrupting people that are going about their day using the platform as they want to. I think the Fanbytes adverts come across as a lot more organic, and they don't interrupt the natural flow of the user as they're using the product, which I think is the reason why it's effective for us and comes across as a lot more authentic and has better results. So it's really important for us to be able to measure quality of user over a longer period of time. Installs just not that useful for us. We really need users to understand the product and to provide us with the data that we need to give them a great service. And in that regard, the Fanbytes campaign was right up there with what we needed to do. Results were really, really strong. In terms of CPI and cost per acquisition, we're right up there with our regular channels such as Facebook and Google. So really happy. I specifically like that the influencers were clearly part of our target audience, and they really understood the product, and I think that made the outcome much more authentic, and they really knew that the product could be of use to their audience. With regards to working with Fanbytes, they helped us sort of define the brief from the get-go, and we're great with the creative support, and we really love the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air advert that came out of it. Favourite video was Nella Rose in her graduation robes, just perfect timing. So happy with that one. Don't be afraid. Facebook was a new platform once. Snapchat was a new platform just a year ago. If you're not going to dive in and try new products in advertising, then you're taking a big risk. And now that so many new products can measure their results through integrations with analytics providers like Fanbytes do, it de-risks so much of what we do.
Obviously, man's just graduated in that, and I found you guys an app that lets you get fast track to internships and graduate schemes, so make sure you lot check out my next snap right now.
Let me work it, 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 let me work it.
Fam, when I tell you, you lots can even play games to win your internships, yeah? So make sure you lot swipe up now. I got you lot, swipe up.